life cycle of a ladybug and cicada.
And a cicada.
Cicada life cycle.
Cicada was easy.
Ants eat cicadas and blue jays eat cicadas. 2. Snakes eat cicadas and foxes too. Cicadas eat sap from the tree. The male makes noise. The female does not make noise.
Get 5.
First, a cicada lays eggs. Then it turns into a nymph. The nymph molts. The shell comes off. The nymph turns into a cicada.
No.
It takes 17 years to turn into an adult.
I thought it takes 17. No, but something.
Ladybugs can be red and yellow. They have spots. Ladybugs have spots. Ladybugs have abdomen and thorax and head, and 6 legs and 2 antennae. When it is winter, ladybugs seek for shelter. Wow! First, a ladybug lays eggs. Then it turns into a larva. Larva turns to a pupa. Then turns into a ladybug. Eggs can be big and small too. Ladybugs eat aphids. Farmers like ladybugs. They are good. Ladybugs mate in spring.